Is that Julio? And Elizabeth? Oh my gosh! And who's on that page? Is that Jasper? And Nina? Such a good book, isn't it? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Say thank you. Thank you, New York friends. I think we have a hit. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's so happy. Ah, doggy on the back. Cooper doggy. Sally and Amanda and Maya and John.